What's up, everybody? In other news, the GoPro broke. So there's been a lot of progress off camera. What you're looking at right now is me doing my first attempt at spray painting with the HVLP gun. I'm spray painting the entire framed out kitchen unit, and it's going better than expected. Alright, so we got our drawer slides here. And basically what I like to do, since this is a van and we are very limited on space, I like to create basically hidden drawer slides in the tow kit. So what you're looking at right now is the kitchen cabinet upside down. And this space would otherwise be dead. So what we're gonna do is, I made drawers that fit here and here, that basically slide out from underneath. They kind of expose themselves. So these can't be installed when the cabinet's already in the van. You have to do it beforehand. That's why everything's upside down right here. So basically what I'm doing is I'm gonna figure out right now what the spacing has to be in order for me to make this clearance, because it can't hit this. This is the frame. So as long as we don't hit this, we're good. So I'm gonna do some math and really figure out the measurements, and then we'll go from there. This is one of those parts of the build where this is definitely an additional thing. It's tedious, it takes a long time, but the reward is just that much more special when everything's all said and done. When it comes to a van build, it's not like building your regular old IKEA dresser, putting the drawer slides on and putting the drawers in. The drawers take so much longer than it's supposed to. So if you're installing drawers in your van, you're gonna make a lot of micro adjustments, and it might piss you off here and there. Finally got it, guys. We don't have handles right now. It's a little difficult, but you get the idea. We in business with our new memory card, a new case, our new batteries, our new GoPro. How does it feel?
I don't look as good right now.
How about you? How you looking? How you looking? Alright, so I'm telling you, I'm gonna get this kitchen into this van today. Before I do that, I gotta attach this drawer face for each of the drawers. So I just clamped it on real quick. There's a lot of tools that when I first started working on vans, when I first built our van, I didn't think were necessary. And these clamps are one of them. But in almost every scenario in which I didn't think the tool was necessary, it ended up proving to be worthwhile. Looks good. I have a recessed handle that goes in there, and so it's really gonna look like this. This is gonna be the bottom. Just gonna pull out, and then here's the drawer. Alright team, as you can tell it's getting late. We got the finished cabinet right here, and we are about to put it in. Once my beautiful assistant, there she is, comes to help. So May, this side here has to go in first. You got a good hand position? We got her in. We got her in. It's a big kitchen, boy. At least for a van. Alright guys, let's test the drawers we worked all day on. We worked all day on these drawers. Boom. And boom. Beautiful. Stays like this that make you feel, at least make me feel a lot better about progress I'm making. Some days just drag. So, and you spend all day, think you do something special, and it turns out the amount of results you see are very limited. So on a day like today, I'm happy with how it came out. Now I'm just gonna secure everything to the wall and to the floor. I anchored this kitchen unit down in, man, maybe about 10-15 spots just to make sure nothing's going anywhere. Alright, thanks for watching. Sorry about the lost footage due to the GoPro, but don't blame me, blame the wind. See you next time.